This is the Marsace BT-1541T carbon fibre tripod. It's absolutely beautifully made. Before I show you some of the features, I want to run through the specifications with you. In its lowest form, it goes down to 20.5 centimetres, all the way up to 133 centimetres with all of the legs and sections fully extended. And when you compact it down, you flip the legs up, push the centre column up, it goes down to just 62 centimetres, and you can use the really awesome supplied carrying bag to transport this around. And it's nice and light as well, weighs in at just 1.48 kilograms. With regards to the type of equipment you can put on the top here, it will actually support a camera and lens and other equipment up to 6 kilograms in weight. Now, I mentioned the beautiful design. These are 4-section legs with turnstile locking mechanisms, and all of the accented parts are done in this nice red anodized aluminium. Looks really nice. Now let me show you this in a little bit more detail. So these are turnstile locks on the legs. So you simply turn the section round and that releases the leg so you can extend it, and then you can lock it back down into place. They're really nicely made, and I much prefer these to the clip style mechanisms you get on some tripods. And then I mentioned about these red anodized parts. Well, if we push the leg in slightly, these actually pull down, and this allows you to re-angle the leg into a different position, and it clicks down into the various angles really nicely. Now, we've got an EB1 head supplied on here. I'll show you this a little bit closer. This is the ball joint head that's actually supplied with the tripod, and it's really nicely made as well. It's got a quick release mechanism on the top, standard threaded mount of course, and then within the part that you turn to release the top plate, we've also got a bubble level. We've got another friction control here that controls the friction on the actual ball head itself, and that's really nice. And then we've also got, of course, a friction control here to cause more friction or less friction when you're trying to rotate it 360 degrees. It's a really nice quality head, nice and smooth in its action. We've also got the degree markings around this centre part here, and it just all works really well. We've got another release here, a turning mechanism, so that you can extend the centre column accordingly. Now, Marsace really do make some fantastic photographic equipment, and they very kindly sent me out an alternative ball head. Now, as I mentioned before, you get the EB1 supplied with the tripod. This is their FB-2 classic ball head, and this sort of steps up the game a little bit. So we've got a 44mm diameter ball inside here. Again, a quick release plate. We've got a bubble level on top this time round, and then we've got the same controls for controlling the amount of friction. This one here to release the ball head, and again it's very easy to get a nice precise adjustment on it. And then we've got the degree markings around the bottom, and of course another friction control here. The top control just controls the quick release plate, and they're also smooth in their action, very well made and just superbly high quality. So this is the Marsace FB-2 classic ball head. And I previously showed you the Marsace BT-1541T tripod, again with a really decent ball head, the EB1 already supplied. It's a great combination if you're into your photography and are looking for a lightweight but very well made tripod. This is well worth consideration. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, as always, please do hit that like button. Please do check out the links in the video description where you can check out the Marsace range for yourself. I'll see you all again in another video very soon.